Hello, I'm Latanja Muhammad, founder of College Cost Cutter. Welcome to Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We are on day 25, so if you're just joining us for this series, check out the description below where you will find links to all of the topics covered between days 1 and 24. Today, we're going to answer a question about which parent needs to provide information on the FAFSA. This gets to be a little confusing, and so that's what we're going to talk about today, and hopefully it'll clear this up for some of you out there. So, which parent should include information on the FAFSA? If the parent was never married nor living with the student's other legal parent, then that parent with whom the student lives should complete the FAFSA. If the parent with whom the student lives is not widowed and remarried, they should complete the FAFSA. If the parents are divorced or separated, the parent who provides the most financial support, even if the student does not live with them, should provide their information on the FAFSA. If the financial support between the two parents is exactly equal, or if the parents don't support the student financially, the parent with the greater income and assets should complete the FAFSA. If the same parent is remarried, then the financial information for the step parent should also be included. So I hope that clears it up for everyone. Rewind and watch as many times as you need to get it clear. So thank you so much for joining us today. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, invite others to join us for this series, Countdown to the FAFSA. 30 days, 30 ways to maximize financial aid eligibility. We will see you tomorrow. Bye.